Welcome to my channel. Are you interested in creating a YouTube automation channel using ChatGPT and earning money? In this video, I'll guide you through the process of setting up your own automated YouTube channel and show you how to earn money from it. Automation channels are gaining popularity on YouTube, and with the power of ChatGPT, you can create engaging content that generates revenue. So let's get started. The first step in creating a successful YouTube automation channel is to define your niche and target audience. Choosing a niche that aligns with your passion and expertise will attract a dedicated audience. Research popular niches and identify the interests and needs of your target audience. This will help you create content that resonates with them. In this video, I choose travel niche. Write a prompt for generating script. Write a 5-minute YouTube video script for top best and beautiful places to visit. After writing prompt, ChatGPT write amazing script for us. Once you have your script ready, it's time to bring it to life with the help of Picture.ai. This incredible tool specializes in converting text into stunning video visuals. Open up the Picture.ai interface and begin the script-to-video conversion process. Copy and paste your script into the platform and let Picture.ai work its magic. Change the script wording little more. Once the changes are made, select the template. It's all up to you, which video dimension you want. Picture.ai customize the visuals, add background music, and experiment with different effects to make your video truly stand out. Take your time to review and fine-tune the video until you are satisfied with the end result. Here you can add your own voice, and if you want to, it's auto-convert text into speech.
Welcome to Pictory. It has been shown that video increases conversion rate by 80%. Today's video will take you on a journey to discover the top 10 most breathtaking and beautiful places to visit around the world. So grab your passport and let's get started. Our first destination is the Great Barrier Reef in Australia. Dive into the crystal.
Download the video, experiment with different templates and effects to make your video truly stand out. Take your time to review and fine-tune the video until you are satisfied with the end result.
Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll take you on a journey to discover the top 10 most breathtaking and beautiful places to visit around the world. So grab your passport and let's get started. Our first destination is marine life and colorful tropical fish. Next up, we travel to the romantic city of Paris, France. Marvel at the iconic Eiffel Tower, stroll along the charming streets of Montmartre, and indulge in delicious pastries at local patisseries. Now, let's embark on an adventure to Machu Picchu in Peru. Captivated by the enchanting beauty at every turn. Nature in person and immerse yourself. Admire the otherworldly beauty of Iceland's landscapes. Our next stop takes us to India, where the iconic Taj Mahal stands as a symbol of love and architectural marvel. Admire the intricate